How to hide location on Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, in order for you to hide your location on the Snapchat app, you will need to turn off or disable the location feature for the app. And the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Open up your settings, scroll down to apps, navigate to Snapchat. Once you're here, you want to click on permissions from the privacy section. And as you can see, you will find the location feature under the allowed permissions section. Click on it. And once you land on this page right here, you want to select the last option that says don't allow, which will turn off and disable this location feature for the app, meaning that your location will be hidden all the time. And if you go back, you will see that the location feature has been moved to the not allowed permissions section. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove your location on Snapchat. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.